just
I got her thinking about me even when I'm gone. Sleeping in my sleep, boy, I'm on Patron. I don't drink champagne, it make me hurt. Boy, I'm on that Patron, fuck me wrong, get murked. Sipping on some lean, I ain't never sipped before. Fucking on a bitch that I ain't never fucked before. It got me feeling crazy, dreams of having babies. And she gon' have my baby, because that is my baby. This the one, swear to God that this the one. Girl, it's all about you, we can have a lot of fun. All I do is think about you and what you do. Cause they try to leak my shit, but it don't get no fucking views. Oh shit, I'm the shit, the motherfucking shit. On your lawn, I'm the shit. Girl, you know that I'm the shit because I made you the shit. I am the fucking shit, and these hoes all on my dick. But I got a spot reserved for you and everything you do. I appreciate you and everything that you do. I walk up in the mall, buy everything for you. I will rent the whole mall out just to buy you shoes. Hold up, oh, I'm that shit, I'm the motherfucking nerve. When I hit your fucking nerve, you be let me buy that purse. Hold up, babe, what you doing? Let me see what you could do. Call me a freak, nigga, call you a freak, hoe. I'm thinking about the money, at the same time I'm thinking about you and what you do, what you doing. I called your phone, you fell asleep on me, you moaned in my ear, telling me that you was wet. Oh shit, oh shit. Then I pulled up to the house and then I ate that fucking pussy. Then we crashed on the couch. Oh shit, I ain't never get nothing. I don't know, LOL. Girl, why you fussing? Girl, why you hustling? Girl, I made you hustle, gave you some bands. It's all about the struggle. I don't need nothing, but you need something. Wait, I need something. We are that something. Oh. Artwork